Nakabenta jang ka normal conception, baro ngitip bangidan kam ya ka normal semen count na do 1520 million. Henry, kane ka pregnancy ka laneam bar ka sperm count do na ya ka 2 million. Haoit ka long ka bala lingba ka jingdan jang ki technique jang ka XC intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Nila banjit morphological normal sperm, but ngin ya inject ka po ka sambay jang ka female partner, bengin yo ya ka result ka babyang.
ïingshari first class magistrate DM misil haka khatwai terek jong ujliau arajar arpusan kalai bor ki pulit pentoket prasni ya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi rengkat bagi sangut kepada subajur bagi dei kebeladon bentah haka ban pynïap yau Raja Raghuvanshi ha Sohra. Superintendent ki pulit ki Iskasi Hills ba VVXM ulu pentip bagi ïingshari kalau hukum manset prasni ha ka polis custody ya ki sangut kebelah subadon keti haka ban pynïap yau Raja. Ini kesangut ki kentup ke Sonam Raghuvanshi ke kurim jong Raja usamla ke Sonam Uraj Khushbaha u Akash Rajput u Vishal Singh Chauhan bat u Anand Kuli ki pulit kelelam kini kesangut ki ïingshari rengkat bat kejeng penjur ya kejeng ai jing ada bat kejeng pahara hakne kejaka ki pulit kejelak lawan yalam ke Sonam ha kepor khatar lala saupau ha kepor dang step perngap jong ka khatwai terek ujeliu ha ka sadar police station bar hadin steng tatam lalik rano ke Sonam Shaganesh Das Hospital dan le medical check up bat ban pha kini benya lagadai kablapun khun ne am ndek la syampat ba kamshim lapun khun satya ndre hadin jong ka arp sau terek onsa kini benya biang yaka ha ka baydai bat kene kebenta hadin bakal pendap ke jing kini benya ka koi ka kya jong ka kelelam biang yaka syaka sadar police station. Hagani keju hi kesengi ha ke Porsche pau Benjamin step ki pulit kejela lawan lap saya kisau ngut ki bagan top yau samla ke Sonam Uraj Khushbaha wa Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan bad Anand Kuli bad ikini ru lara ha sadar police station bad hadin katuk ni kenta ki pulit kelelam ikini barok sangut syaki ïingshari na ke benta ban bishar. Hadin bagi kubor kelasa priang leng bagi lat patai kubor bagi Sonam rengkat bagi kisau ngut kiladon ha ke sadar police station. Tangkat tu kena por ipat ba nak leng kelawan ban yang ban up ban yaki kat bagi pulit kidang penkit ban yalam ki ïingshari.
One team had reached at night or early morning, and the other team had reached this morning at around 8:39. So both different timings, and after that, medical examinations have been done of the accused, and we'll be producing in court. I think as we speak now, production may be taking place. So that is the activity which has happened since yesterday.
So what about the interrogation?
Interrogation will start very soon. Once we've got the remand and all that, police remand, interrogation will start.
Because there are reports that they admitted to the crime and it's coming out.
See, I don't know we have not brought and we have not even got our remand out here yet. Let us not speculate. There are so many things that preliminary interrogation and preliminary investigation was done in those states. They may have divulged some things, but these things need to be confirmed and need to be corroborated and need to be backed with evidence.
So how many days you will be seeking custody of them?
See, we are, I think we are asking for 10 days, and if we require more, then we will extend our request for remand.
Any more arrests apart from these 5?
No, 5 till now, and then as investigation progresses, then we will be able to ascertain whether only these people involved or other people involved.
They will be taken to Sohra tomorrow.
No, not tomorrow yet.
You are not decided.
No. We have to examine them first. Once the examination has been finalized, statements recorded, we get to the facts of the matter and all that. Then SIT will decide on a date where they will go for reconstruction and crime scene.
Can you also tell us about some speculation about the pregnancy test of Sonam?
Yesterday, a thorough checkup was done in Ganesh Das Hospital. So they had done a check on a pregnancy, and it appears negative. But again, they will recheck her. I think after the 24th.
Because there is a deviation from taking them to civil hospital. So what is the reason?
No, not them. Just her only, because Ganesh Das woman-related hospital and neonatal treatment is out there. So it was the best of things that we had taken her to Ganesh Das.
So the
What
four
about
were
No, the other 4 are actually examined by a registered doctor only.
they are ordained
Yeah,
in Sadar police
Sohra police station.
Bancupen kan mau kasonam bad uraja Raghuvanshi kilajak klub nadok arbulai terik jemang hasora baraka arterik ujiliau ki pulit kilalap ikemediap jong uraja nakawai kejaka kabadan hajan kakshat we saudong hasora bad hadirin kene kilai beteng banwat bad lap se kasonam ha ka step jong kalak sing ublai kasonam kalalit ban IT no elade ha ki pulit jong gejala Uttar Pradesh. Hagajing to okit jengki pulit kelalap kesai bakasonam kelaidon ketilang bad uraj khoshwaha ban ya soboj ban shi megajing im jong uraja dagajing irap jeki langut ki baipat ki beriu. Kani gajing ja kalapan kendit ki babon bakasonam kalawan honeymoon bad u Raja Raghuvanshi ya kabakadang sedap ban yatho. Bahkan poison dan macam megasenjam ban keti ha kaban chim sindon ya gajing im jong lau kurim.
Transit remand kamut ba hakpor Ruski na MP ngidim produce no hakak kod ni amba hapo hadin Ruski ni lambiang sa Madhya Pradesh ne hadin laisni ni lambiang sa Gazipur dikata kadi ketang kapor pagin hajer ka ya ke brio hangni hakko juni dikadi ketang ta kapor ba aingi
Ti kat nuski kai ko nakaliang jong nakaliang police
ni pada ingin polis custody Mashboski dan kamshu in panshu